Hi everyone, this is your week 7 video. I'm going to talk about templates on email, and then I'm going to talk about advisement and registration. As registration is next week, we might have some students coming in because they aren't able to register or they need help with classes, so I'm going to talk through a few tips on that. So first, you have templates for emails. A template is a way to save an email that you have typed up. Maybe you've put a lot of information in it and you don't want to have to retype that for the next person that emails. So you can save it and then be able to pull it up again for the next person you want to email. And first thing you have to do is you have to enable your templates in your Gmail. So you go to settings, all settings, you go to advanced, then there's the spot that says templates, make sure that's enabled. Our Saints Learning Commons email has it enabled, so you only need to do this if you want to do it for your personal email. So next, we're going to build how to build a template. You write the stuff that you want to write in, you put your subject line in, and this is the email that you want to save. So you go to these 3 dots, you go to templates, and you go save draft as template. These ones up here are all ones I've already made for us on this email. So we're going to go to save draft as a template. We're going to go save as new template. And then you're going to add the name of it, save it. So then the next time you pull up your computer, you can pull up a new email, go to templates, click the one that you just saved, and it pops up exactly what you had saved. If you have a template that you just don't want anymore, we want to get rid of this test one. You go to templates, you go to delete template, and then you click the one you want to delete. It says, yes, I want to delete it, and you delete it. I have made a few templates for us in the Saints Learning Commons email. I have one that's prioritizing time resources. This one has a bunch of resources that you can send to people if they are struggling with like procrastination. Then I have one about studying tips. So if they're not doing well with studying, here's some more tips on how to study. Then I have one about tutoring. So this is if someone needs a tutor, it has the link. It says what a tutor can do for them. So that's if someone needs help finding a tutor for their class. And lastly, I have question received. I could see this one being the most common one for people to use. It basically says, I'm gonna go and delete this one and pull up a new one. It basically is a way for you to send an email saying, oh no. It basically is saying right here, it says, I'm a guide here, and we got your question, but I'm not quite sure how to answer it. I'm gonna reach out to someone above me, such as Jessica or someone else you know, to get the answer, and we'll get back to you. So it's a way of letting the student know we saw your email, we're gonna answer it, but we're not quite sure how to answer it yet. So that's a good one to use too. I would recommend using templates. I think they're super helpful, but just know that those templates are in our email if you want to use them if you get an email. So then next, for registration, if you have a student come in and they had a hold on their account and they're unable to register, they may ask you why that is. In that case, just send them straight to advisement. It could be for many reasons. They could have a parking ticket. They could have not paid their bill. There's a lot of reasons, and advisement can figure it out. So just walk them over across the hall, send them over there. If they can't find their PIN, send them to DegreeWorks. If you click on worksheets at the top, scroll all the way down, you can find your advisor should have written your PIN. Also, the advisement team should have their PIN as well, so you can send them over there if they can't find it. And then lastly, to register for classes, you bring up Bannerweb, which you can search in my CSS, that search bar. You go to Student Services and Financial Aid, Registration, Add Drop Classes, select the one that they're going to register for, have them enter their PIN, and then they need the CRN numbers, which they can find on the course schedule. If you are unsure how to help someone actually build their classes, just send the people to advisement. You're not supposed to know everything. So just send them on over there if you have questions. You can also message Jessica and I if you have quick questions that we could answer for you too. So that's the video for this week. I hope you learned something. Have a good weekend. Thanks for all you do. Bye.